In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get approved on PartnerStack. PartnerStack is a powerful platform that connects businesses with partners to help them grow and succeed. Whether you're looking to join as a partner or are a business seeking to expand your reach, getting approved on PartnerStack is a crucial first step. So let's dive right in and walk through the process together. First things first, you'll want to navigate to your PartnerStack homepage. You can do this by simply opening your web browser and typing in the PartnerStack URL or clicking the link if you have it saved. Once you're on the homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. It's always good to know where everything is, as this will be your base of operations on PartnerStack. Next, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll find your profile icon. Clicking on this icon will open up a drop-down menu. This is your gateway to accessing various settings and account details, so go ahead and click on your profile icon. From the drop-down menu, select My Account. This will take you to your account settings, where you can manage all aspects of your profile and preferences. The My Account section is crucial for maintaining an up-to-date profile, which is essential for getting approved on the platform. Now, locate and click on PartnerStack Network Profile. This is where you'll update or complete your profile information. A complete profile is not only a requirement for approval, but also a great way to showcase your strengths and unique qualities as a partner. When filling out your profile, be clear and detailed about your expertise and past experiences. The more comprehensive your profile, the better your chances of making a great impression. Completing your PartnerStack Network profile comes with several benefits. Not only does it increase your chances of getting approved, but it also opens up opportunities to connect with other businesses and partners on the platform. A well-maintained profile can help you stand out and attract the right partnerships. To summarize, navigate to your PartnerStack homepage, click on your profile icon, select My Account, and then PartnerStack Network Profile. Make sure to fill out your profile completely and accurately to enjoy the full benefits of the platform. And there you have it. By following these steps, you're well on your way to getting approved on PartnerStack and unlocking a world of partnership opportunities. Thanks for watching, and good luck on your journey with PartnerStack. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tips and guides.